I bought more Colourpop. Is that a surprise? No, it's not. I decided I would open these things on camera. I haven't even looked at them yet. For all I know, they sent me the wrong shit. Let's go! This first one, as you can see, is from eBay. Colourpop had a limited edition Hello Kitty collection, so I had to have it. So, what the fuck? Oh, I couldn't get this from Colourpop's website, so I got it from eBay. Hulk smash! I apologize in advance because unless you get on eBay and order this, you can't have it. This is the limited edition Hello Kitty Colourpop Super Shock Shadows. Oh, look how shiny. I also got straight from Colourpop. See that? It's beautiful. You know, Colourpop, hey guys, I just want to say that I really like these stickers that you put on the envelope. Can you put some in the envelope? Like even just one. Because I would like to stick it on things. Maybe my homemade Super Shock palette. Wow, there's a bunch of shit in here. Alright, what the hell did I order? Go shawty, it's your birthday. Alright, now we're getting down to the meat and potatoes. What the fuck did I buy? What we have here is 3 pressed powder shadows, some lipsticks. I would be remiss if I ordered from Colourpop and did not get some Super Shock shadows. So we've got a, Paradox. Last time I ordered, these were sold out and I was bummed out. But that's okay because I got it. And because I spent more than $10, because I always spend more than $10, they sent me the limited edition Birthday Wish Super Shock shadow. Fun! Let's do some swatching. Hey, swatch this! Forever Young, because it's their 4th birthday. I really like how cute the boxes are that they send these in, but it's also kind of a bummer because I just throw them away. This is cute. It's purple. Ooh, shiny. The fun thing about this video is that I've changed up the way that I'm lighting it, which means it looks great over here, but I can't really see shit over here. So we're kind of gonna get to experience this swatch magic at the same time. Alright, this is Birthday Wish. That's my cat. She's a dick. Birthday Wish. Ooh, that's super pretty. I'm digging it. It's got some pink glitter in it. It looks like a champagne with some pink glitter. I guess you can still get these. I don't know. Not sure if it's super different than some other stuff I have. I will have to compare and get back to you on that. Next, we have Paradox. I saw this on there and I fell in love with it. It's like a brick red. Boink! I'm excited. I don't know what my cat's doing. Nice. I'm really into reds, as you can see. Reds and oranges and yellers. Kind of my jam right now. I don't give a fuck if it is summer. I'm gonna rock some fall colors. Who is this person? I don't like this new character. Ooh, this one's creamy AF. Okay. Here we go. It's like slow motion swatching. So this one is, I like it. It's really bright. It's a very deep hue, super pigmented. I will work that nicely into my collection. I honestly don't think it's super different than some other shit I already have. Moving right along. Let's look at these pressed powder shadows because I kind of feel like this one might be real similar to the one I just swatched. This is called Stay Golden. Stay golden, pony boy. No? Okay. Stay gold. Son of a bitch. Stay golden. Yeah, dude. Okay. So I pretty much just bought the same fucking shade. Actually, though, to be honest with you, this is the Super Shock in Paradox, and this is the pressed powder in Stay Golden. The thing is that Super Shock shadows are kind of hard to work with. There's definitely a learning curve. I'm still figuring it out. Currently, I'm the best at using them as lid shades. They work for a real good cut crease, but I'm not super good at like using them in the crease. because they're challenging. So I'm not mad at the fact that I have a pressed powder version of a very similar color. It doesn't have a sheen to it. It's super matte. Paradox, well, Paradox, it's got a little bit of a sheen to it, but not really. But it's a cream, so it finishes differently. And I think that this one might be a little bit easier to work with. It's also super smooth. I like it. Up next, we've got... Let's do it! Remember I was bitching about not having a matte black? Well, guess what, guys? I went ahead and got me one. Let's do it! It's black. I actually would have used it in this look had I opened this box before, but then you wouldn't have got to see me do all this, and where's the fun in that? Up next, this is Paper Tiger. Like I said, I'm into these yellows and oranges and reds. The reason I got this is because I read it was a good dupe for Edge in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. So we're gonna swatch both of them right now. This is Paper Tiger, which is also a Beck song. Mustard. Let us now take our Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I'm going to be swatching Edge. Well, so yeah, the colors are similar. However, like the color payoff on the ABH is like, come on. I'm usually super into the Colourpop payoff. Colourpop color payoff. Colourpop color payoff. Colourpop color payoff. Colourpop color payoff. Hey, that was pretty good. Colors are super similar, but I'd have to build this up like crazy to look like that. Now for the part that you're gonna hate me for. We've got 4 colors. We've got Rainbow, Friendship Files, Small Gift, and School Bus. Hello Kitty is as tall as 5 apples and weighs the same as 3 apples. Great. Rainbow is white with glitter. Check it out. Oh, you can't even see that. There you go. Rainbow. Cool. Alright. Pink, purple glitter. It looks like some maybe green glitter. This is pretty. This would be a great topper, I believe. It'd also be a good inner corner color. Brow highlight if you're feeling fancy. Where the fuck is that lid? It was behind the tripod. Next, we've got Small Gift. It's coral. This doesn't really correlate to anything. Small Gift. Yeah. I fucking love that. That is a really pretty coral with a shimmery finish. Not a whole lot of shimmer. I guess maybe they would call that sheen. It's pretty AF. You can still get these on eBay. I only paid like 20 bucks for this 4 set, which is only $2 more than it retailed for, so I feel like I got a good deal. This one is called Friendship File, which is kind of a weird name. This is Friendship File. Alright, it's like, it's a neutral, champagne-ish, little peachy, glittery, got some gold glitter in there. And this last one is School Bus. It's blue. This one does not feel nearly as creamy as the other ones do. It's blue. It's pretty. It's dark. I'm not sure how much use I'm going to get out of that one, especially because I already have some dark blues. But I just had to have these. I don't feel like these colors are all that super unique. I really like Small Gift. I think this is going to be my favorite out of this set. But for Hello Kitty, I feel like they could have gotten a little more crazy with that. They could have had some pinks and purples and more glitter. I mean, I've got enough glitter. Blasphemy. But, you know, I love this one. Not saying that it was worth the $20 that I paid for the whole set. But I like it, and I guarantee I will use it. Rainbow's pretty fun, and Friendship File is subtle, but it's cool. Next up, I've got a couple of lipsticks. I'm currently wearing some lipsticks, so I'm just going to swatch these on my arm. This is Ultra Satin Lip in Fortune Favors, and this is Ultra Glossy Lip in Verbatim. I'm not a big fan of glossy lipstick, really, because my hair gets stuck in it and it's fucking annoying. But I thought I'd give it a whirl. What was this called? Fortune Favors. This is a Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip. Sloppy. It's a lot darker than I expected. The container looks like a corally red. On it looks like a red with a little bit of a coral hint. It's actually pretty as fuck though. Gonna wear it. Maybe later. Next we have the Ultra Glossy Lip in Verbatim. It's got a shift to it. I had a hard time picking between this one and a different one. I figured I would probably get them both at some point. Here we go. This is something. I don't even remember. Verbatim. You think I would have remembered that verbatim? This is going to be a dope topper. It actually looks completely different on the skin. It's like champagne color with a pink shift. With a pink shift. I don't know if you can see. Oh, you can. Check that out. Y'all, we got a praline. It's full. I have one more. Son of a biscuit. This officially fits 25 Super Shocks and I own 26. Which leads me to believe it's time to stop ordering Super Shock shadows. And maybe order some other shit. I got some other stuff in the mail today. I got supplies to make my own pressed glitter shadows. So I'm gonna do that. That's all. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time.